So we are going to learn how to make a memo record through Fiori app. So first of all, we go to SAP main page, click on Fiori app link. Will open in another window. So on front page of Fiori app, we have to search memo record. Two apps in that. One is manage memo record and the other one is without. In the first one, if you open it, you can create a memo record manually. And the second one, it's a memo record. So in that, you will see all the memo records you already made before. You will see all there. And also you can create new memo record from here too. So memo record, as you know, that it's a temporary document or entry. Memo records are created for future inflow and outflow that we are aware of at this today, so that it will reflect in our cash flow analyzer. So that's why we create a memo record, like we are expecting some funds from receivables. So as we know that we will receive it after 1 week. So before that it hits to the bank and it is recorded in the system, we can make a memo record of this thing, and we mention it that this is we are expecting on that particular date. So when we run the cash analyzer, it will show that this is due. So it's a temporary, it has an expiry time as well, because when you actually receive, the actually entry will come inside the cash flow analyzer, and this memo record will be removed. So there will not be any duplication in this thing. So memo record is a temporary document. We create it for the expected outflow or inflow. So now we are going to create. So we can create when we select this button. So it will take us to the first app which I showed you. So both app can work to create a memo record. So in that, you simply have to provide your company code, amount. If you're expecting some inflow, you can manage just mention that in positive, but if you are thinking that it is outflow, you can put minus sign. So we are expecting 20, and planning level is kind of in easy sense, you can say that. So currency, we have to CAD. So planning level is like, for easy understanding, it's kind of a document type. Like for general ledger, we have SA, ECC. So same like this. It's just for the reporting purpose. So we can select anything, investment, outgoing, anything. So let's see if we select AF. And other than this is value date, this is expiration date. As I mentioned before, that expiration date is that, like if you are expecting that this amount is will be in your bank in 20th of April. So what you will do, you will select this thing at 19th, that until 19th this memo record will be there, and after 19th it will automatically remove from the cash flow analyzer. So on 20th actual inflow will come, so otherwise there will be a duplication. So this is then the bank account from in which bank account you are expecting. You can just select your bank account accordingly, and the information if you want to provide, you can add it: grant, funds, profit center. But there's no need for this thing right now, so we just create this thing. Date, not a working. Oh, okay. So I think you have to mention like 19th is 20th, and we can 21st. Let's see. Yeah, see, memory card is created. So you see the status is active, memory card is 78, and now we will make another memory card but with the negative sign. So now we are creating a memory card as outflow with negative sign. So again, go back here, put your company code, amount is in negative sign, currency is get, planning level, again, it's up to you. Select this thing, bank account, any bank account you can select. Selecting this, or we can select some other bank account. This thing, and yeah, that's it. Expiration date, yes. First of all, value date is weekdays, and when you are expecting that, you have to mention it the day before that expected date. So like we are expecting on 22nd this outflow will actually happen, so we want this until 21st. So 21st of that day, 12 o'clock midnight, it will be there. After that, actual entry will come and this will automatically remove. So memory card is being created. So status is active. We go back, and on the main front you can filter out like because they're shortlist, so we can easily identify these two we made it. So put the filter like descending. So here we can see that all the list of a memory card previously made, and the things you have to remember is that $14 amount is the negative one which we created. Billing is AF, and value date is 20th. Expiration is 21. This thing, and the other one is 20th. AF inventory planning level we selected. Same value date is 20th. Okay, so these two should come in cash flow analyzer as a memory card. So we are expecting these two entries on 20th and 21st, but on 20th we are just running the report. So on our report we want to be included. That's why we created a temporary record, that is a memory record. And outflow is 14. Go analyzer app. And you can also check this in recently used. You can select anything, or you can simply type it here or select from here. So company code, if you want to enter it, no issue. Cash position, date. We'll check that whether memory code is coming in this report or we have to change it. And let's go with the default, then we change the things. So just drill down. So 30005, so I believe this is the, so 14 and 20 is the 14 is there, it's outflow, and 20 is incoming. So you can see that these 14 is outflow and these are memory card. If we click on this thing, It shows memory card outflow. Same thing with the inflow memory card. And first, you can see there is no entry because we are expecting this actual entry will be coming from EBS here. So this is how it works, memory card manually. We can also, if we want to narrow the search, there are some different techniques you can play around with these things. So like switch view, if we select the delta, then it will show only the changes. Let's see how it shows, looks like. Yeah, only on that specific date if there are some entries, so only that entries will come when we select delta. And also there is, like if we go to the by default setting, and there is one tab, we call it certainty level. Yes, so if we only want to see the memory records, we can change the filter, select this, take it at the, so here we just want memory card to want to see, so select this only and go. So only entries recording to memory card will appear now in this filter. As some other examples, so that's why this bank is also coming. Otherwise, if you made entry only in this bank account, only a transaction related to memory card will come. So this is how you can change the filters and get your report according to your. So the next procedure is to upload this memory card through Excel file. If it is more than one, same thing you have to do it, but you have to download the file, Excel file, input the data and upload. So same thing, everything is same. So simply you have to go to the app called record. Yes. Now you have to download the template. File is downloaded. You simply open the Excel file. Same thing what you did, I mean, in the manual one, you enter the planning level AF, same thing, company code 1800, amount, whatever you want, currency, we have this, and we can change it, bank account name, you can copy from the manual memory card template, and that's it, you just save it and upload in the system. So bank account ID is a technical ID. I will show you where you can get it. So either you can put it here or you can give the information house bank account like we did in manual one. So, and these are the lines that if you want to add the lines. Otherwise, one record you can either use manual method or upload this file. So for the technical ID, if you want, you can add technical ID. Otherwise, like in manual memory code, we can add this information and upload this template. So I will show you how to get this information, different ways you can open your manual memory card template. You can get from there or from Fiori app if you want. You can go to Fiori app name, manage bank account. Manage bank account. Give your company code. Sorry, it's company code. So this is our company code, or you can go business bank. In this manual we checked in this account. Now we are just doing this for the business bank account. So if you open this thing, see it provide the details. So here you can find the details. House bank is this and house bank account this. So we'll use this one, and technical ID I will show you after this. So house bank account is this. See, we cannot copy it or not. And as I said that either or we can use the bank technical account ID. So I will show it, but for the template we'll use this thing. So just take it here. So go back here, technical ID. So see, there are two buttons. If we click this one, we can get further details. And if it's a summarized form, so it's just for your knowledge. So we need technical ID for this bank account or for all the bank accounts. So what we'll do, we just go here, search for technical ID. Let's see the technical ID. So it is there, we moved at the top. So this is technical ID. So for this specific bank, it's 94. So what I'm saying that either you can write 94 or these two, because it's unique ID for each bank. So it's up to you. So we go with this example, as we saw that for entry should be on the weekdays, not on weekends. So we change it to 20th because 20th is Monday. So otherwise maybe it will give error. So 20th is the one. And yes, that's it. We can save it. So we save it, go back to the Fiori app. Find the app, import, upload file. So it is in process, so it will take some time. The status is changed from process to uploaded successfully. If you want to see number of memory cards, one imported. Now we have to go back to the cash flow analyzer. Again, it is what we are doing. It's just for the cash flow analyzer, so we can show the future inflow or outflow in that app. So we go to cash flow analyzer. Again, with the default setting, we can go here. like this, and I think we enter it here, and not this one. That's the bank account. So is there $100 on 20th? So as an inflow, we can open it. See the memo records again. You can change the filter, like go to certainty level and select memo record in that. And now only the memo records registering entities will come. See, now the banks are reduced because only these two banks are used for the memo records. That's why only these two banks are coming. So we can remove this, and which we just uploaded. And yeah, that's it. So there are two methods to record a memo. One is manual, the other one is uploading a file. Thank you.